Alright, so it's a BMW 325i. The hazard lights wasn't working. Only this one. Every other one worked. Couldn't find a video on how to take it apart. Figure out put one up. So first thing you do is remove these two bolts, which is a 5/16. You remove those. There's a screw right here that you have to loosen to pull this out. And you can see that's the catch. You get it through there. Once you loosen it enough, you can pull this out. Turn this to the left. Light's not in there because I already got this loose. Just wanted to put it on video so you guys know how to do it. Then, you know, of course, don't touch the light and change it out. So, after I put them on, this was the light that wasn't working. Of course, the other one was working. The ones in the back is working as well. But, once I put it back in, this one still wasn't working. You gotta make sure you push the bulb all the way in. That's what the grooves are for, the bulb. After I did that, everything worked fine.